I was asked why fried fish is so delicious and crunchy for me. Look at the secret. For this recipe we will need a mojara. It may be the size of your preference. The one I will use will be medium. This we must remove the scales and wash it very well, outside and inside. I'm going to make cuts on both sides. These cuts should touch the thorn that has in the center the mojara. Already made the cuts, so in this way we should stay. I will reserve it for a moment. Next, here I have half a red pepper, a small onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and some parsley. These ingredients I will cut into large pieces, as follows. Guys, this secret that I will teach you to fry the fish is very easy to make and is very crispy. I am sure everyone will like the result. Once cut, I'm going to add everything to the blender and season it by adding a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of oregano, half a teaspoon of black pepper, the juice of half a lemon. Do not forget to add it because this will give an incredible taste to the fish. Finally, half a glass of water. Cover and blend very well for a few minutes. Since everything is well liquefied, I will turn off the blender and remove the glass. In a large bowl I will place the mojara, and I will season it by adding the marinade, which I have prepared in the blender. At this moment I would like to know, from which country or city you look at us, to send you a special greeting in the next recipe. The greeting in today's recipe is for Ruba Chai from Bangladesh, also for Kathleen Clark from United States, and Francis Carter from Zebulun. Thank you for always seeing and enjoying our recipes. Already well impregnated the marinade to the fish, I will let it marinate for at least 10 minutes, but if you can leave it longer much better. Here I have some cornmeal, and after the time marinating the fish, I will bread it very well with this flour. If you have come this far seeing today's recipe, that means that you are liking this recipe, so leave us here below the following message: I love fried fish, to send you a very special greeting. Now in a carder with enough oil, and with it, very hot, I will fry the fish for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I'm going to turn it over so you can fry the other side. And now our fried fish is ready. Look how crispy and golden it has been. I hope that one day I make this recipe at home, but I would like you to rate this recipe from 0 to 10 to know if you liked the result. Thank you for watching this recipe until the end. I hope you liked the result. Tell me if it's the first time you see one of my recipes. And if so, don't forget to subscribe on YouTube as Recipes Oni, and activate the bell so you can always receive our recipes. A hug and see you in the next recipe.